Yenye ready, yenye crowd or say a interchange. Why the haste to cut the sword? To do what? Now cut the sword new year. Thereafter,
it's almost a year. Getting to a year,
and there's no sign of beginning of the project. It's quite worrying. It's very, very worrying. The dream maybe a party and a dream maybe a never boy in French at the end. Because President Kufuor, a Juma President Kufuor be and Wagana, and then Ubia would in the chapwa. So, and near maybe say ya.
Quite interchange.
Ya shall see na kikiri na Fofi Antoata ne braso. Na man for shame puntu a wapro de agu baabi. Ene ya dwuma waje. Ene said your manage na brane. Na yehwe ye de a yenya firi mu a. Obi anu say we have been shorted. Enti eno na cause of disaffection apathy because say enipa to aba on the second round. Saafo ni nyina te omo ha se koto aba on the first round. Umzenka President Kufuor on fair.
He was left with 40,000.
Only 40,000 votes to win.
And to me and Jambo Rebecca.
That's the point. It is disaffection. Party. These are the things. And Nema we yarn a course ye. And no answer near beginning. And this is also at the tail end of the governance.
Yeah, somebody called the cancer. Argentina.
And the banner
power more ebe kwa we yarn as a more prim home say.
I feel no more who say baby you nya vote to do no. You see, na yama ade bi aha adwen kakra. Mamu a President Kufuor abu ne na ban yabu MPP abu for the last 6 years thereafter no. Yentimi nso so entwontwon no se bibia ankoso ana yenye hwe. Because yenim de aban yizo bae ono so abon homodin bi pa. Na emum de medical kan se de wo su bia esunani. Interchange ya ye kan wa pro bi egu ho papa. Enche ye kura de twa to kura ye pokuya se interchange. Na mi giri say no so na ginger the people of Ashanti because that's the gateway to Accra.
Yeah.
To be a free Ashanti region na kwa Accra. Na upie wo na hwe the speed of work. Speeder adwuma no ko within 2 years. Record time no mo wi adwuma na and you realize na ne de na esi. Ko ba bia wo hye wonkosu ade ye nto abo nko ho. Entizenka wo te a enka ba bia ya se enipa no na japade won man kana koma ho. Entizenka we japade a votes na ebema wanya political power no. Sa votes ni nyina wa Ashanti region or the large chunk of it was Ashanti region there. Nenka esen ko akoma na ha ne ho. But yen timi nso so downplay much more adwuma aban na ye. Enti ya nhwe yi a ade na koye bese paniko na ha man. Se wa nhwe yi a obetase ati. Enu nti na ese ye very circumspect in commenting on these matters.
Okay.
Mebo chama untumi abaso e wakokoduro wanya senka. Obey press conference no atwe adwene aban na adwene asi hia se yenya interchange no eno de menene ya adwene me bona baso on that but baby a menene nya adwene the demeanor the posture with which I press conference honestly I'm not enthused about it one bit.
Professor no
apart from Professor it makes the whole thing look like a concert. I'm telling you. If you are being honest and sincere with the situation and how serious this matter is, said the idea we
it's so
crucial no and your whole press conference the idea to have the press conference is fantastic, but the posture, the demeanor, some of the utterances that is the point. As if so will be said that trans will be do be as joke as normal. This cannot be as joke as normal. Way as Santemaya Koma, sa project we. In spite of a Juma President Kufuor aye, ewo krum ha nyina no. If we did not complement it with this project, trust me, we will come back. A mass be na menti I said I'm say friend cost 90 when it is cost 90 it is zero
na ai zuba okay tan tita hwan
saa nneɛma ni nyinaa
mantias yɛ da
sine cosine and
sine cosine tan theta cosine sine
na mantias yɛ ntia
mantias yɛ do sine theta cosine tan tan sine x
esi su da o
my school master o
esi na wa true da we
ni ana mtias yɛ kakɛ no kra se na am some ref impo ba mi tewa
esi da board so
look at this the opposition I know omu di adwuma no metimi aka without any shred of equivocation say omo ba it will be worse as the plight of Ashanti will be worse. How? Because we've seen it before. Nianti Kuroma the capitation bre how many years any person dey ku omo Ashanti region o yare say wontimi fa nkwa wontimi nyese capitation Ashanti region ko a na newo ade boni bia na omo pilot bia ha na eba projects almost started here no omo wie a lot of them President Kofo engineer any ade nyina on beto aso it didn't go anywhere and some of them aban ba wa ba be Comfort teaching hospital a dan ya na si ho a almost 1,000 bed capacity esi how many years and that project is done and ope will be free or draw attention to Lake Road. How many years has Lake Road been there? And they check the Lake Road, check it ahojo to that's the Abansokobine stretch. Check that road, check it Kumasi inner city roads. Ejuma abani bae asif se one hwe ya o yure be fi hu se enche bia no na se wo frɛ ambulance emergency na aje se wo petrol na ade na nante. And there's ambulance in every district. One hwe ya yure be fi no because of this project. And here the thousands of school children na aban ya hwe wo mokwa amu nya opportunity akọ school and omo nso betimi abayi obi omo nso betimi abetena wa fidie so kese so eni omanfo adi nkomo no wan hwa ye yure be fi no se ya nhwa ye yure be fi se sa abre no na aban bi ba ya wo se nursing teacher training allowance no ntimi ntua enti unni wo papa ntimi nhwa wo ma wo nko nursing training school na aya asema ma others obetuna fi and aban bi ba ya ono so doing his best. I restore all that. And this a now can we nyina bomu ne niama akoso ne other projects look at Tema Interchange Pokuase Obechebe Tamale and all that. Na manfo hunu bie na asanteman so hunu bie ne fa so bie ne hu ne fe ne nakono se de esi ye. Na wabetwa ahomemu se wo ba be Suame Interchange de ama ye na afini. Yemfa asamenti ba ko meto ho no. E mane ya homete. One hwe ya na dwuma ya aban na ye ni nyina no na that is the point, because you see only abofra kwa afuo mu ba bia abehye no so duro abeso ye no wanso ye na osu enti ade na da santema akoma so saa ye pese ye hu saa edifice saa Pokuase Interchange ni ye hunu bi e wa santemema no any other place than Suame Interchange. Every road that connects to Kumasi no e connected through that interchange. Nese afini intimi nko ho abra omampani na mu na betwa ahomam na se we regional executive regional chairman of that weight. Chairman to me is regional chairman, but in the weight it's as though he is the national chairman of the party. You can't do anything about it, and that is the truth. And when it comes to mobilizing support for the party, galvanizing support for the party, and whipping the people to go and vote, he is one of the kind. Recently, he demonstrated in Kumau. And this is a winning opportunity. Nessa near maybe a bema wajumano, a bema wajumaya to watch actual. Sajumano, winning opportunity to deal with it. Don't joke with it. And yet conglomerated as a SOMPA FM. And then ye said as if nothing is at stake. That was the time I was expecting him to talk with passion.
That seriousness
and passion. I didn't see that. To speak to power as if you don't know who you are talking to. Because where you're fascinating crew, where me and ye and another pro. It is all me can be. Na president who say, hey, na chairman to me na can say dia. And any just say asem na ya asem inti ba ne saa na ene nke be hunu how urgent we ni nso be ye because amamuo no yes human needs are insatiable amamuo no sika bia nta dan bia mu ne ye de yew it is demand driven sika nta dan bia mu ne ye de bu man se sika gu ha enti time bia no ye self sufficient sa na mum wasem be duru edwamu ntem no asem no mu be duru ne beto asomu no
wo ni
atewotoa sa ne te enti sa wo ama ade no ne se koye se oh we dey
you don't attach
seriousness bia ne passion no to it and man taking no as normal as one of those things enti the president kra na kana ntimi ne nkan den some akwata wo we minister hold the at least ebia it's all to be
Santi MPs nominee.
That is the point.
See a government appointees.
And we saying so if you are telling us about way any Asante Maya bro in any way when it comes to appointment.
Oh yes, that's true.
Look
CEOs,
at the CEOs, the cabinet ministers, the deputy minister, name them. Now Abaya Asante Radio kuta chief of staff kuta energy, ekuta education, ekuta agric. Na Abaya akadi enyibi. Abaya no
ekuta trade.
Ne kono na ekuta trade.
Kuta deputy trade.
Abaya ne kono na ekuta. Energy sa ekuta ne deputy. Owura kunya deputy.
Yeah.
That is the point. And you know, Abaya we nya Asante Maya bro when it comes to appointment. So if we are unable to perform to the satisfaction
and now
of the good
general
people,
secretary,
to the good people,
a national organizer,
and the national organizer, you
have the treasurer.
And Abaya we no
appointments are Asante Maya ntimi nkasa.
That is the case.
Bampuntio wise.
President de amamu awie.
That
is the point. Mona esa mu ye adwuma no. And say Suame Interchange. If you are unable to do Suame Interchange, we have ourselves to blame. We have our own selves to blame. Because Suame Interchange ne there, me can ha na maka ne say eya Asante Maya koma. It is the heartbeat. If it doesn't come off, me ne bi ebi no mo ka say yemfa sika no nkoye manso kwabri east ni ade. Yes, that would have been fantastic. That would have been say senke ntwa ahomam anka enwo sa ka I subscribe to that. Senke ye twa ahomam ani da so no ba. Chel na acheli mu ba enu nti na ama akomayare no. Enti anu na ese ye hwe na senke metwa ahomam ni enya hwe de a I would have subscribed to that because yes Suame Interchange obi otebo so me fra ho wote manso ono mfa so bi. Obefa so bi once in a blue moon. Enti obi a wo kwa abri east no wo de Suame ono Suame Interchange ni nya na sem. But ye Antwa road wa obe enjoy Antwa road. That's right. Ye Kenyasi road obe enjoy Kenyasi road. So I would have subscribed to that perfectly. But the fact that said ye nim say no ho ni decide say we ni ebe ye ni atwa ahomam e de hu video so akere ama hu su kom ade ye no e se ye nsuo ne no.
Hi.